Hello, and welcome back to our discussion on creating a Pro Tools stereo template for post-production audio, specifically for promo. We've already created our voiceover, production tracks, and music tracks, and now we're going to move on to our sound effects tracks. So we'll come down here. We're going to need a stereo aux. We'll say 5 mono audio tracks and another 5 stereo audio tracks, and then we'll need one more stereo audio track for the stem. So creating all of those, no input, no output, just like we've been doing. Okay? And we're going to call this FX aux. And now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to point out, just in case it's not obvious, that it's mono sound effects. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the next track will be stereo. I can spell. Stereo FX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one will be our FX stem. Okay, so as you can imagine, we're going to need to set up a few buses again. So we'll go to the setup, new path. We need a stereo bus for the FX aux and another stereo bus for the FX stem. And that's it. Solo safe the FX aux, have its input coming from the FX aux, and its output going to the FX stem. All of our FX tracks are going to bus to the FX aux stereo. And this way we can pan the mono tracks and it'll go left or right in this stereo field at the FX aux because that's a stereo input. We'll solo safe the FX stem and create its input from FX stem, and of course its output is going to go to the mix submaster. So now we've got all of our basic elements here. We have the stems, we've got the auxes, but we're still missing a few little elements, and we're going to do some tidying up and some tricks here to make this easier to use.